select Start, select All Apps, find Opera browser, right click, move your cursor on More, and then select Open File Location. Here you could see Opera browser's shortcut. Right click on it and select Copy. Go to your desktop, right click and select Paste Shortcut. Right click on the shortcut that we have just pasted on our desktop and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab, find the target field, click on the box in here and go right at the end, press space key, type disable update. Then click on apply, click on OK. In this way, we have changed the property of the Opera shortcut on the desktop. But if you go to the other shortcut, which is on your programs folder, and right click and go to the properties, you could see the shortcut tab is not changed. That means we have only changed the properties of our desktop shortcut. So if you want to prevent Opera from updating, you should always start Opera using the shortcut created on your desktop. Very important. I know sometimes Opera makes some very annoying updates. However, by disabling updates, you're also disabling security updates. It means there will be a higher security risk when using Opera browser without updates. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.